Hello, I'm Ken Cawthorn with Bettear. I'm the GM for the Americas. Happy to have you here at InfoComm 2026. For a lot of information on Bettear, you can go to www.bettear.com. It's Bettear, in case it sounds different. We love the catchy name. I want to talk to you today about our RTX Go. The RTX Go is our new product here at the show. This is a reduced cost transmitter receiver. This one actually just a receiver. This unit allows you to receive streams, multiple streams from our broadcast devices in a more economical way. This product is shipping in just a few days, so we'd love to have you take a look at the RTX Go. Much more economical product that could be used for receiving information from any stream through Auracast. Again, thank you for joining me here at InfoComm. Love to see you at our booth, C8267. Again, www.bettear.com. You can reach us there, and love to see you at the booth.